everybody is tonight. I'm Ricky about the Coca-Cola Firecracker 250 at the Daytona International Speedway. Alright, so let's get started. So, on the head tonight, wait, what, maybe 2 weeks. There was a long way here. Tough one after it. So, I'm a 45 hit after it. That happened in a week tonight. So, here is a full silver that happened in a week. Here we are.
Goes the 60. Austin Cindric wrecking in front of the crowd. Daniel Hemric's caught up. Tyler Reddick, Cindric, barrel rolls.
And when you're done, probably.
Lands back on his wheels.
Okay, Matt Tiff trying to make a lot happen.
Alright, so here was a full fit after that happened. And I'll 45 another angle of that accident. So here was a big one that you had to off his head with oil in that accident. Luckily he was okay. So here is another angle of that accident. So here we go.
Up the racetrack a little bit. Matt Tiff's going to try to drive in there to get to his inside, and they just got together. 60 of Austin Cindric just wasn't on the very bottom of the racetrack. Opened up a little bit of a hole that Matt Tiff you thought was there, and then you can see right here the contact with Reddick. Started Cindric's flipping. That's very unusual to see a car flip that late after initial impact. So here we go above.
Well, Jeff, you knew it was just a matter of time. It was trying to get really bunched up too wide, and Matt Tiff thought it's under 20 to go. He had to make a lane. You see that tumble, as you mentioned, really rough for the 60 car, but basically Matt Tiff thought it was time to try to make it 3 wide, and we've seen that before, Dale, out of the tri-oval. If that inside road doesn't protect the double yellow line, that's a place that people get runs, but that was late into the corner for Matt Tiff to look underneath the 60.
Yeah, that is a late move, and it's difficult to be able to, you know, for the spotter to give that information to the 60, that he's got a car underneath him. But there was room there. There was room to go, and Matt decided that was the move he wanted to make. You see right there, there's a little bit of a hole. It looks like he has room to go to the bottom. And when he went to go, it just closed up. And, you know, we always like to point a finger and say, this guy messed up or that guy messed up. And
Alright, so here was that big accident in a week. And like I hit over his whip, he was flip right over. Right after he hit Tyler with it. So that was crazy. Okay, now we're gonna flow hit after it happened away tonight. So here is his after it happened away tonight. Here we go.
Behind them, they're wrecking. Ryan Reed involved. Ryan Sieg as well in the 39.
you see, they're 4 wide. 16 going backwards. 93 got into the back of the 00. Sure, that energy of the 16 car, he was having some kind of trouble when he was going back, and I don't know if that contributed to them getting 4 wide, and then eventually you run out of room. So Cole Custer on top of his car, you can see right there, things get really tight. It's got to stay in the gas. Contact from the back, and around he goes.
Hold the brake here.
There you see it. Hard impact for the 90 car in the outside wall.
Everybody just trying to survive. Once cars start spinning, I mean, you got to think there's debris and there's fluids on the racetrack. You're really limited on how much control and how much ability to miss all this you have. And it all starts as the cars enter the trial, but the lanes get very undefined. You know, what's the top, what's the middle, what's the bottom? It seems like the trial was the place where these accidents happen most often. As you see, the 16 catches the grass, gets airborne, luckily comes back onto its tires.
Alright, okay, well, after it's away tonight. Oh yeah, we have 2 people it's away tonight. Crazy. And luckily Ryan Reed, he almost went on, but luckily he had not. Alright, now I'm gonna go into a final lap of the way. For you guys to see who went off, who went away tonight at Daytona. And you know Daytona, you never know what was happening on the final lap. Well, here is a final lap. Here we go.
Working on blocking. One more time around. Big run out of Haley as he gets up to the back bumper of the 7.
Runs coming from both lanes. The inside's on the inside of Larson now.
Elliott Sadler. Now, can he clear the 42? Sadler up front.
He didn't clear him.
By inches he didn't clear him. Now he's got to side draft him. Get to that left rear quarter panel. Pull him back to you. Hope the 22 gets to you. Push you in front of the 42.
Side by side down the backstretch.
What matters now is what line's going to get the help from behind. What's Blaney going to do here? There's going to be a huge push from the top.
Side draft once again. Larson. Elliott Sadler. Side by side. Coming into the tri-oval. They bump. 3 wide. The big move on the inside. A huge win for Haley.
Well, NASCAR's made the call. They said the 24 went below the yellow line to advance his position. Winner, Kyle Larson.
Kyle Larson ends up winning. As you see, Haley was trying to celebrate, thinking it was his. The team was coming out there, but the rule is very clear.
Alright, as you guys saw, Kyle Larson went off and went away tonight at Daytona. So, what happened was, because fucking Henry made a move coming to the line to take a lead and maybe a win, but unfortunately, he went below the yellow line to pass Kyle Larson and Elliott Sadler. And the rule is you cannot pull below the yellow line to affect your opinion. So that what happened. That's what happened. Haley went below the yellow line. Kyle Larson hit the win. But yeah, so now here is Kyle Larson. It's here at the top finish line.
Another crazy Daytona finish. 3rd win this season. Kyle, the battle there till the very end with Elliott Sadler. How did that last lap work for you?
I don't know. I can't really remember how. I think I went to block the 7 maybe in the 1. Got to my inside, and then I thought the 24 could give me a big push down the back, and then I'd see him go way up top in 3 and 4, and I thought I was kind of screwed to the run or to the finish line, and then he had a massive run coming and turned left and did all he could to win, but just barely clipped the yellow line there. So I honestly didn't even think I had a shot at winning that until I pulled over here to the lug nut check, and I could see the big screen where he kind of went below the yellow line. So a little bit of a shock for me, but this is awesome. Win both stages, win the race. It means a lot for me and DC Solar, everybody at Chicken Acid Racing. It's amazing. I've been close. I feel like every time to win an Xfinity race here at Daytona, so it's nice to finally get it done.
What do you want to say to these fans tonight?
Just thank you guys. This is a heck of a weekend here at Daytona. You guys are in for a treat for tomorrow's race too, so always exciting here in July.
Congrats, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright, so here was Kyle Larson. top infinite light here. Now we will go to the victory way here.
So Lionel, what does...
And who I hit at it almost. Yeah, how a few minutes. I think that for the Harry. But that's a move. Alright, here's a victory way here.
What a crazy end to the race here at Daytona. Kyle Larson winds up in victory lane. And a little celebration by the 42 team. He, by the way, is undefeated in the Xfinity Series this year. 3 races, 3 trips to victory lane. Were you concentrating so hard on the one car that you didn't even see the 24 make his move?
No, I did see the 24 make his move. Really quickly in my mirror, I could see a massive run. So I was kind of trying to squeeze the one down to maybe choke him up, choke the 24 up. But he was able to get by and clip the yellow line. So that worked out for us. Pretty special. My mom texted me today and said it was my Grandpa Banjo's 100th birthday today. So that's pretty special for us. Wish he could be here to see it. He's a big fan of mine. So yeah, I wish he was here for that. I know my mom means a lot to my mom as well. So just really cool. Thanks to DC Solar. Their name's been run through the mud a little bit the last couple weeks. So nice to get them in victory lane on the 42 car with Chip Ganassi Racing. So happy about that. Can't say enough about this team. They bring great race cars every week to the track, and it's just a privilege anytime I get to race for them.
Talk about the emotion of really the last 7 days. You had the win at Xfinity Series in Chicago, then the second place finish in the Cup race. You win a couple of dirt races, and now a win that you thought you might not get here at Daytona.
Yeah, it's been a lot of top twos here the last few weeks. I think pretty much all but one of my races, I think, in the last 8 or so has been top 2. So just really fortunate to race for some great people. Paul Silva, Chip Ganassi, Keith Coons. Everybody that I get to race for. There's so many people that I get to race for throughout the year that I'm very thankful to race for. So can't say enough about that. Just very fortunate to be in the position I'm in.
I mentioned, Rick, he's undefeated in the Xfinity Series this year. I think Mike Shiplett might want him in the car a little bit more because this is his last scheduled race for 2018.
Alright, okay, we'll tell you about his victory way here. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to hit a pin between Kyle Larson and Elliott Sadler. So what ahead? Elliott Sadler, who swore to win her way at his hurdle. Ahead, in February, Elliott Sadler was very well ahead, time will win it. And now tonight, ahead, another halfway finish at his hurdle to Kyle Larson his time. Elliott Sadler, who was ahead, will win at his hurdle. I'm gonna try to see I can hit or hit it to Kyle Larson and Elliott Sadler. So while I'm trying to look for that, while I try to look for it, with her issue, what the point him up right now after tonight race. Okay, a minute. Alright, so here is what the point him up right after tonight race. Alright, so we have only had a point right Take your hammer and hit it. No. And fucking Ohio and Smith. Oh, and what a point and what right after tonight wait at his hurdle. And now for the 40 high, he finished between Elliott Sadler a tire around here. I saw it right here now. So here's how full it was.
Oh, this is so crazy. Heartbreaking. Again. That close. That's the gap. And Justin Haley heartbroken. See right here? We can stop it right there. I mean, there's
Alright, so
there's room.
here was how full it was between tire around here and Elliott Sadler. So it was very full. Alright, so I hit that movie all I really had to talk about. Great race tonight. And also, Great Elliott, he was in her race tonight. And he will have a good race. But here he had a remission or something wrong. And was not able to finish her race. But Great Elliott finished really nice tonight. Well, not what Great Elliott wanted after having a very good race tonight. But yeah, I think that movie all I really had to talk about for that was the Coca-Cola Firecracker 250. So now we will talk all to next week. So next week is going to be the whole free hurry. Here is her information. So next week is going to be another Friday night race. It's going to be at the Kentucky Speedway. Freeway for the at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oops, sorry about that. And it's going to be on NBC. And the race is going to start at about 8:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you guys can watch the race on NBC Sports Network. So we move on to Kentucky next week. That was here too late. And also, very quickly before I end the video, we did find out some new hit week before the afternoon race hit week. So, Pistol Tower, when he published some of that next week at Kentucky, he was able to, he was to hit it efficiently from NASCAR after he carried his away. And he had to be more recovery for him. And he was able to complete it. And NASCAR hit on the 4th of July at Pistol Tower where he able to come back to race it. So Pistol Tower where he's back next week at Kentucky. So let's see how Pistol Tower will do next week at Kentucky. His fourth race back hit winning away at Tower Hill. So let's see how he do next week. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed his video tonight. And I will talk to you guys next week for the free hurry rate review video. Bye everybody.